Everyone, every family will have a need from time to time for what we're talking about in this segment. That's convenient care, urgent care, and outpatient centers. Joining us are Dr. David Fashnacht and family nurse practitioner Sarah McGill. Welcome very much. Of course, both of you are from Augusta Health. Let's talk about convenient care first. Where are the locations that you offer that, and what would be wrong with me if I need to choose convenient care?
So we have one in the Stanton Walmart and the others in the Waynesboro Walmart, so both Walmarts in the area. And you'd be coming to us for minor things. So it's the acute processes, sore throats, ear infections, cough, you have a skin rash, even things like sports physicals and school physicals. We can do those as well.
Now let's talk about ages that you treat at those two centers.
The convenient care clinics can care for anyone from ages 6 years and up.
Okay. And tell me the hours for those locations.
It varies a little bit. So Monday through Friday, it's 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday, it's 10 a.m. to 5, and then Sunday, it's 12 to 5.
So just really great, convenient care, just exactly what it says for the typical sore throat.
Exactly.
What have you. Now, let's talk about how urgent care differs from that. And first, let's talk about where those are located.
So the two urgent care centers are located in Weir's Cave and then the new location on Statler Boulevard in Stanton.
Okay. And what kind of ailments might I be dealing with where that would be an appropriate place for me to go for medical care?
The urgent care would be a step up from there. Those are staffed full-time by a physician rather than a nurse practitioner or physician assistants, as is done at the convenient care clinics. And so if you have something that's more serious suturing that's required, or a sprain or injury that you're worried about a fracture, they're able to do suturing and x-rays at those locations.
Okay. And what about insurance? Is insurance accepted at both of the urgent care and the convenient care locations?
At the convenient care and the urgent care locations, all of the major insurance plans would be accepted. At convenient care as well, though, there's a cash-only price that may be available for folks who don't have insurance, or if you have a high deductible plan, it may be the best option for you.
Oh, that's really kind of a neat thing. I'm not sure that I am aware of any medical clinics, like local medical clinics located in a major retail location like Walmart. Were you guys a first to do that?
I think the first in this area, though certainly not the first in the country. There are many other locations, probably bigger than our area, that have had them for some time now, both in Walmart clinics, as well as there are other clinics at CVS called Minute Clinic that have been open for some time. And
you've also had an outpatient center move to one of the urgent care centers?
Yes, ma'am. So the outpatient center in Stanton that had done x-rays and outpatient lab is now combined with the urgent care clinic in Stanton, which is on Statler Boulevard.
So having these clinics with the hours that they provide, how does this have a bearing perhaps on when a person might go or not go to the emergency room at Augusta Health?
The emergency department is certainly the right place to go anytime you have a life-threatening illness or injury. So if you have chest pain, if you're worried that someone may be having a stroke, that's always the right time to go. If you have a more minor complaint, such as we've talked about earlier, during the hours that we're open, those may be cared for more quickly and perhaps more cheaply for you in the convenient care or the urgent care clinics.
Now, you work in the convenient care setting. Are there any things that you would like to share with our audience tonight that really could help them have a bearing on what you do on a day-to-day basis, and help them understand which to choose under what circumstances?
So if it's something that's more mild, you kind of have been putting off to seeing your family doctor for the sore throat that you've been having, or you think you might be having strep throat, or your child might be having strep. Those are all things to go on and come into the Walmart clinic. Our goal for the hours were to actually kind of expand it during the week past the point that some of the doctor's offices were open. So it's a little bit more convenient. We also are located in Walmart, so there's a pharmacy right there that you can actually stop by and get your meds at as well. We will refer to any pharmacy that patients actually want us to, and if we feel like somebody is coming in for something that's a little bit more than what we feel comfortable or what we're capable of treating, we actually refer them out at that point, so either to the urgent care centers or to the emergency department.
Well, truly kind of covering the gamut in healthcare, and with today's lifestyle and pace, a great options to be available. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
very much.
And when we return, we will be talking about one of the happiest occurrences in medicine. Stay with us.
Your Health Matters, brought to you by Augusta Health. Minor illnesses don't happen on our schedules, but the Augusta Health Convenient Care Clinic at Walmart is here to help. We're open 7 days a week to diagnose and treat children and adults ages 6 and older. From sore throats to sinus infections, we offer non-emergency treatment at prices you can afford. Don't wait for the help you need. Get quality care from the Augusta Health Convenient Care Clinic at the Walmart Supercenter in Stanton and Waynesboro. Augusta Health, nationally recognized quality, community-focused care.